Hello guys. I was at Goodwill today and I picked up this Lionel train set. 30 bucks. Had to solder a wire and get the brushes moving on the engine. It's in pretty good shape. Whoever had it took pretty good care of it. I don't know if it'll focus for you, but Lionel, it's got a little bit of rust, not much. And I saw it on the counter. I said, hey, that's a Lionel. Get this thing on the track for you. Now, it's got a pretty cool feature. Got all this track with it. Nice square and a couple more pieces of straight track. This was mine. I already had that. But it's, for a 1950s model, it's got a pretty cool feature that I didn't think it had. It's got forward, and then you stop it, and then it's got reverse. I didn't even have to touch it. And then click it. Once it gets going, I mean, it'll scream around this track. Working 1950s Lionel train at the Goodwill for 30 bucks. I'm pretty happy with the deal. Got a piece of American history. Everything you see here, all the track, all the trains, without the transformer. Check out your Goodwill. It's got pretty good deals in it. Maybe you'll find you a little Lionel train set or something better. Anyway, hope you like this video. Like, subscribe. I'll see you later.